Welcome to my channel. Using this AI image, try to make it more interesting using particles. I will use a vortex and a particle friction node. What is Particle Vortex Node? A tool to create swirling, vortex-like motion within a particle system. By adjusting parameters such as strength, radius, and position, you can control the intensity and behavior of the vortex, making it a versatile tool for dynamic visual effects. Let's create a new fusion composition and make it 10 seconds. Open Fusion page. Add a particle emitter, particle render, and connect all to media in. It creates a merge node. To make particles circulating an area of the image, I add a Particle Vortex node. I change the color of the background, so you can see what the particle's doing in action. Let's play it, and the particle's moving towards the vortex node. Click on Vortex Node, adjust the power, the particle's circulating around the vortex node. If I move the strength to negative values, particles moving clockwise. I want to have the particles circulating continuously around the vortex from the first frame. Click on Particle Render node. Move Pre-Generate frames up to 100. Now the particles circulating continuously around an object. You can move particle emitter closer to the vortex node, helps to isolate a particular area of the object on the image. Let's look at the settings in Particle Emitter node under Controls. These values can change according to your image. Under Style, I use Point Cluster, Apply Mode Add, and choose any colors best for your image. Click on Region, I choose Sphere, Size, and Translation depends of the image. Click on Vortex Node. Under Controls, once again you need to choose the best setup for your image. Click on Particle Render node. I only change the pre-generate frames up to 100. Let's move vortex and emitter to the area you want to create movements. Adjust number of particles as you like. Find the best colors for the vortex. I want to add another vortex node to create second ring of particles circulating around the star. Select emitter and vortex nodes. Copy and paste and connect vortex 1.1 to vortex 1. It will create a particle merge node. Reposition the emitter and vortex nodes to create a second ring. I change the color of the outer ring. as I've seen it in various science fiction videos, when one star feeding another bigger star. I try to create something similar using friction node. What is friction node? It can simulate friction within particle systems. It allows you to control how particles slow down or stop when interacting with surfaces or other elements in your scene. This can be particularly useful for creating realistic effects, like particles sliding to a halt or losing momentum over time. I add a new particle emitter, friction node, and connect it to vortex node. It creates a new merge node. Click on Particle Emitter 2. Under Control I have Particle 1. Lifespan 200. Velocity 0.05. Under Style, I select Blob. Choose a color you like. Size number 2. On the region I choose Sphere. Size and location depends on the image. Click on Particle Fiction node. Under Region mode I choose When inside region. For the region I choose Sphere. Change the background again to see what's happening between emitter and friction node. First, I change the color of the particles. Click on Friction node, and you can see the particle stops inside the circle. Adjust the velocity friction means where the particle's supposed to be stop. It will look like one star feeding another one. Reconnect AI image as the background. Let's see what the particle friction node will do in action. Let's move particle emitter and the friction nodes to the desirable position. Resize nodes, change color, adjust velocity, whatever is required for the image. If you're happy with all the particles set up, let's go over to the edit page. I'm going to add text with neon lights to advertise chocolates for sale on planet Earth. Within titles, look for neon flicker. Type chocolates, choose a color, and resize text. Make the text longer using tracking. I want to make the image brighter. I will add light rays. First, I add an adjustment clip. Under OpenFX, look for light rays. As usual, change color, position, and appearance of the light rays as you like. And this is the final result, to make an AI image come alive. See you all next time.